In today's 10 Minutes Better, I'm going to be cleaning out the drawers of my dresser, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is the first Friday of the month, so that means that it is time for a 10 Minutes Better. 10 Minutes Better is hosted by my sweet friend Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple. I will link Melinda's channel along with today's playlist in my description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'm just going to take 10 minutes to go through these drawers and clean them out and make them good as new and organized. I am in the middle of transitioning this room into a guest room / office, so it is not in the best of conditions. So I wanted to go ahead and give these drawers a good declutter and clean out. And also, after I finished this 10 Minutes Better, I did take out the drawers, clean underneath them, and I did have some stuff behind it, so that's why some of the drawers do not shut completely. However, that was not 10 minutes that I had to spare for this 10 Minutes Better. I titled this 10 Minutes Better, the 7 drawers. Actually, I have 8 total, but 2 are so small that I just combined them into one to call them 7.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
are new to my channel, I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family. I absolutely love my YouTube family, and you guys have no idea how much I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Your comments mean so much to me, and your love and support means more than you guys will ever know. I do make a variety of content here on my channel, and I am in the process of changing this room from a once teenage room to a guest room slash office, and I have a little surprise in store, which is kind of why I am doing this makeover and creating a new office space. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys in the near future, so stay tuned for that. And I am just going to continue putting these things back in the drawer and showing you guys what I decluttered and what it looks like when I got finished.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So I was just going to share with you some of the items that I am donating. I'm going to just put them in this bag that I found. This is actually the wig that I got when my hair fell out after getting so sick. And I just remember how hard it was to find a wig, and I want to donate it to someone who lost their hair, who could use a nice wig, because it was an expensive purchase, but I know it could benefit somebody. And with that, I have the comb for the wig, the brush for the wig, and then this to put on top of your head. So I'm going to donate all of that. I'm also going to donate this little message board that you can clip a little message on, and you can like sit it up. It's really cute. I always had great intentions of using it, but never used it. I'm actually just gonna keep just the wig itself in this bag until I find someone who can use it. So now I just have this bag, and in it I'm putting this little clipboard thing. And I got this last Christmas. I did my coffee bar with it, and it says, "May your holidays be filled with love and hot cocoa." I wrote that on there with the chalk. And I just never used it again and put it in this drawer. And I have like the holder for it, the chalk, an eraser for it, but I just cannot see myself using it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and part with that as well. So I found a sketch pad and this little picture that you can paint. Both do not belong to me, so I'm going to return these to their rightful owner. And I found a couple of things that I'm going to throw away, and that's it.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone.
So I just kind of wanted to take you on a tour of my 7 drawers plus one. But this just has some decor in it, and that's it. This drawer has some old pictures in it that this is basically all stuff that I'm on the fence about, that I am about ready to donate, but not 100% ready to donate yet. Like this says Live, Laugh, Love. I still like that, but I don't have it up. And I have so many plate holders, and I don't think I need that many, but I'm just hanging on to this just in case. But probably next time I declutter, I will get rid of everything in this drawer. In this drawer, I just have a bag that you can like seal things up in, and then I just have a little I can't even remember what this little thing is called, but just one of these little game things. In the bottom drawer, I have nail polish, and then I have this to dry your nails with. Honestly, I'm on the fence about keeping this stuff as well, because I do go get my nails done, but there was a time when I could not, so I collected all of this stuff. So I think I'm just not ready to let go of it yet. On this side in the top drawer, I just have tape, and just this for like an outlet. I think that I will probably add some other office supplies as I move in here more. So this would be more like, I could put some sticky notes, have tape, maybe have a pair of scissors, that kind of thing in here. This drawer has household stuff that would be used more. I'm transitioning into fall now, so this would be more my summer decor. This next drawer only has one thing, and it's a backdrop for filming. I almost got rid of that as well, but I decided just to keep it just in case. And then in the last drawer, I just have these 3 containers. This container has like little bags that I use to store things in. This container has command hooks, and this container just has some labels. And so that is it. So I feel like I am off to a good start. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. 10 minutes will go a long way if you do 10 little minutes at a time. And I just want to thank you again, Melinda, for putting this collaboration together. And I hope you guys all have a great week. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you go.